So I post a lot of TikTok content on this channel, and I have seen a search going around recently where people are asking, is TikTok dying in 2021? And what I mean by dying is TikTok losing its popularity in 2021? Well, let's speak about that for a moment, because as of June 2021, TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users. Now, that is a lot of users. In the USA alone, TikTok has been downloaded 200 million times. So a large proportion of the TikTok traffic is coming from the US. And as you know, when TikTok first launched, it was targeted more towards the younger generation. But now recently in 2021 and starting basically from 2020, it reaches a much broader audience, meaning that it's not just for teenagers anymore. Businesses and influencers are making use of TikTok to drive their business forward and gain more exposure for their personal brands and things like that. And TikTok is much easier to grow on the platform. Like if you take, for instance, Instagram, it is very difficult to grow on Instagram nowadays, but on TikTok, you can reach a lot of people with minimal effort. All you need to do is basically post at the right time, post quality content, and you will reach a large amount of people. People are gaining followers on TikTok at a rapid rate, and you can also take advantage of that by starting to post on TikTok. And just so you know, my own personal thoughts on this, I don't think TikTok is dying in 2021. I think it's very healthy with all the numbers that they are pulling in. TikTok has a bright future in my opinion. Now, sure, it's banned in some countries, but I don't think that's going to stop the overall growth of TikTok. With TikTok's broad reach, you can go from a nobody to a TikTok celebrity overnight by posting one extremely good viral video and gain hundreds of thousands of followers, if not millions of followers, by simply posting what you love on TikTok. Now, an average user spends almost 1 hour per day on TikTok, which is very high compared to other apps. And to top it all off, TikTok is one of the most downloaded apps in 2021. Pretty much every single person that I know has a TikTok account, so that should speak for itself. So my opinion is TikTok isn't dying in 2021. It is healthy and going strong, but drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would love to know. And if you thought this video was insightful, go ahead, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more social media tips and trends. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.